Okay guys, today we're going to talk about
the garbage one that got arms.
Yep, Garbagedon. We've got the DinoTrux book by Chris Gall. And we noticed that one of the DinoTrux, Garbagedon, looks just like one of our toys here. It looks just like this Tonka. So we're just going to give him arms and turn him into a Garbagedon. Right. By the way, Season 2 is coming out on March 11, DinoTrux Season 2, and we noticed we were wondering what's gonna be in Season 2, because they're gonna have new dinosaurs, new stories. Well, we noticed that in this book they've got Craniosaurus, which is Skya. They've got Doceratops, which is Dozer, and Dumploticus, which is Tonton. So the first 3 pages are the DinoTrux. And then the next page is a Rollodon, and I was thinking, you know what? Maybe they'll have a Rollodon in the Season 2. And then we just saw the Season 2 trailer, and they do have a Rollodon. It's pretty cool. Look. Right here. Isn't that awesome? And they look really cool too. There's a lot of them too. Rollodon. So that's a new DinoTrux that's coming out. And this was on the 4th page, so maybe they'll also have a Garbagedon. That's on the next page. And a Digosaurus, or maybe that's for the next season, but we have our Garbagedon here. And where's our Digosaurus, Jaden? We also have a Digosaurus right here. Show them, huh?
Now what's the Digosaurus?
Here's our Digosaurus right here.
Now what's the Digosaurus on the toys or what?
And this Digosaurus looks just like this one almost. Huh? Pretty cool. You know, they also have a sneak preview episode with where there's more than one Tauntaun. There's 3 other Tauntauns in different colors, and they go on a race around a racetrack. And maybe the Rollodon help build the racetrack. Maybe they flatten the asphalt on the racetrack. So maybe there's an episode where they do that, which is pretty cool. And I bet if they come out with the Rollodon toy, they have the Garby toy where you use the Garby Play-Doh toy. Maybe they'll have a Rollodon Play-Doh toy too, where you roll the Play-Doh with the Rollodon. I think that'll be one of the toys that'll come out. So we'll see.
I'm Sebastian.
That'll be a cool idea.
I'm Sebastian. I'm the garbage.
Hi, Sebastian.
Hi. JJ get Dumbo.
Alright, so let's turn our garbage truck into a Garbagedon. Here's our Garbagedon. What do you think? He's got arms. Roar! I'm the Garbagedon. I eat everything in sight. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Give me some food. Give me something in my hand.
No. Give me.
Here. Put it in my back here. Choo choo. My arms fell out. That's because the DinoTrux evolved. After millions of years, the DinoTrux evolved and they became helpful members of the community. And that's the story of DinoTrux. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Say bye, Jaden.
Bye, Day.
Alright. Jaden's gonna show us what you can do with the Rollodon. The Rollodon is making the asphalt nice and flat, huh, Jaden?
And then make it smooth.
Smooth, huh?
Smooth out the eyes.
Yeah, smooth out so you can make a road, And then the Digosaurus, he's gonna dig it up, huh?
The front loader.
Oh. What is this, a front loader, Don?
No.
Front loadersaurus?
No. Front loader.
And this is a monster truckosaurus.
No. This is a Rollodonsaurus.
Rollodonsaurus. And then this one is... What is this?
A Monstersaurus.
Monstersaurus.
Let's roll it nice and smooth.
Yep, roll it nice and smooth.
Now also got the water tank.
Oh, you have to do on this side. Show on this side.
Now
Right here. Right here. Look. Or the hand is. Look. I'll show you. Watch. Look at the camera. You see? Look at the camera. See? I also got.
A water tank and
No, you have to show on this side. On this side.
on here.
Look right here. The camera is right here. Look, Jen. See this circle? This is the camera. This is the lens. This is where if you put the car in front of the lens, then it shows on the phone right here. See?
This one to show this.
So look.
We also got
We also got
that.
the what? The water tanker.
Now they also got these guys.
I'll show them right here in front of the
Show
camera.
in the camera.
Jen, show in front of the
Show in
camera.
the camera.
Jen, show on the camera. Those guys, show on the camera.
No.
No, okay. You want to show the water tanker on the camera?
No. All the pieces goes in the water bath.
Yeah, in the water bath.
The water sprays